Margo here, and I would like to tell you about this beautiful calendar for 2021 that I got this morning. It's printed in our native tongue and Tashi Galata. All the pages are different, the views are spectacular. The proceeds of this calendar goes to St. Vincent de Paul, which is a wonderful, wonderful charity, helps loads and loads of people. So if you want to receive it, if you log on to eamoncoyle.com for this wonderful, wonderful calendar for 2021. Stay safe.
I said goodbye, saying to my darling I'll return again. With my life sails unfurled, I've traveled the world. Many's the grand scene I recall, but the sweetest of these to my mind to please is wandering through my native Donnell.